Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we're going to make some amazing chicken foot soup. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. So I'm going to start off by adding some water to my pot and then I'm going to go in and add some pumpkin. Yes, I'm going to add some pumpkin from my backyard. I went ahead already and just called my chicken foot, and please note guys that if you have other meat at home that you want to add to your soup, you can always go ahead and do so. So now I'm gonna go in and add my chicken foot, and listen, I could hardly wait. I just wanted this soup so bad and my family was just they were overly patient. All right, so once I add all of that, it's time to go ahead and just cover it and allow it to cook down nicely. What you can do, you can add scotch bonnet pepper at this stage, or you can just go ahead and add some garlic and allow it to come to a boil, because of course you want to ensure that the chicken foot is nicely cooked and softened. Now, you can always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using. Like I said, if you want to add more things to your soup, more meat that is, you can always go ahead and do so. And this is what it looks like. I don't like to chop up my chicken foot. If you want to chop it up, you can always go ahead and do so. And I like my chicken foot still firm a bit. I don't like when it's too soft and all of the meat falling apart. So now I'm going to go in and add some spinners. Now, if you don't want to add spinners, you can always go ahead and add a regular dumpling. All right, the round dumplings, but I like to add spinners. So basically how to make the spinners is some flour, some salt, combine that well, then you add some room temperature water until the dough comes together, you allow it to rest, and then you just take off piece and just roll it and just put it in the pot. So now I'm gonna go in and add my yellow yam. I will also add some carrot, and of course I'm gonna add some of my dasheen, and you can add sweet potato if you have sweet potato at home. I will also add some more of the pumpkin, because the one that I add, some of the pumpkin that I add earlier, it crushed all out, so I'm gonna add some more just to help to give the soup a little bit more of body. So of course, once you add all of that goodness, make sure that you combine everything well. And guys, the cock soup mix that I'm going to use, it's a little bit salty, so no need to add salt. All right, so let's forget about the salt. So as you can see, the soup is coming along quite fine and the color is amazing. Now, if you want to add onion to your soup, you can always go ahead and do so. I don't know, there's no rule or rules that says that you cannot add onion to your soup. I like to add a piece of onion to mine, and of course I like to add my thyme and my scotch bonnet pepper. I like to add my scallion and season up my soup, and you can add some pimento berries if you have pimento berries at home, because of course our soup is supposed to be nice and taste good. So I just add my cock soup mix and combine that well. And please note guys that when you add the cock soup mix, you have to allow that to cook down nicely. All right, so I decided to add 2 scotch bonnet pepper because it wasn't hot enough, so I just add 2. So once you add all of that goodness, again, you're going to combine. And remember to taste, just in case you need to add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning just to bring out that flavor and that taste. And that's exactly what I'm going to do here. So once you add that, remember to combine well again, and then you're gonna cover it and just allow it to cook down nicely until it is thickened, and then you turn it off and serve it up hot to your families and to your friends, and I'll show you guys the final product. And guys, this is what my soup is looking like. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and give this one a try. I hope you guys enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and you can always let me know in the comment section what you think about this amazing recipe. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Thank you for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you on Friday. Bye guys.